Today we are so excited to review the Breville Smart Oven Pro air fryer. This is something that we use in our life every single day, and we cannot wait to show you it.
So we got this oven because we have a gas oven in our house and it just doesn't quite do the job right, especially if you're baking foods. So that's why we got this. And I mean, as you can see, it's as small as a microwave. It fits in our microwave spot. We actually replaced it, but it is literally as powerful as a real large oven. So you can make anything in here, and we do. We make cookies, muffins, roasted vegetables. You can even fit a 14-pound turkey in this oven. That's how large it is.
I'll walk you through all the items it comes with in the box, starting with the crumb catcher that you just put down here. Really nice to ensure you don't have a really messy oven. It comes with an air fryer rack. It comes with 2 wire racks. One of them is in here. It comes with a dripping tray and a small wire rack. And of course, it comes with the mini pizza stone. Obviously, this is made of aluminum. When we first started researching ovens, we didn't want it to feel like a small oven when we bought it. The reason we like this one so much is that it can fit a full-size muffin tin and a 9 by 13 inch pan in it with no problems at all. I'll just show you. So we actually do cook muffins in here quite a lot, and they come out perfectly just like in a convection oven.
Another feature that we love about this oven is all of the pre-set cooking options. So you can cycle through toast. There's also bagel, broil, bake, roast, warm, pizza. You can proof in here if you're proofing dough for bread, especially in the winter months when it's cooler in your kitchen. You can just put it in here. It also has an air fry setting, which we use pretty much every day. A reheat setting, cookies, slow cook, and then you've got your dehydrate. So you can actually dehydrate food in this oven too, because it goes down to 170. So that's something that we really love.
And then one thing that's obvious, but we really like it so much, is it's an LED screen. So you know exactly the temperatures that everything is getting to.
And then once you go to the setting, let's say you want to roast, it has the preset temperature and time, but you can easily adjust it just by using the temperature dial here. And that moves it up and down. And then your time dial is here, and that will move the time up and down as well.
So it's really cool that you can switch from Fahrenheit to Celsius if you do cook in Celsius, but it does come default to Fahrenheit. The snowflake button is when you're cooking foods from frozen, it'll automatically add additional time. So I thought that's really interesting as well. Phase cook is actually such a cool feature. So if you're cooking muffins at a higher temperature for the first 5 minutes and then dropping it down, or starting the oven where you're going to bake and then broil, it's easy to make 2 styles of different cooking. So you can start with baking, then finish with broiling just by clicking this phase cook and adjusting it. The next button is convection or super convection. Basically, this just controls how much the fan is gonna blow. So in regular convection, the fan is gonna blow at a medium rate, and super convection is going to circulate air a lot faster. So you're going to use super convection with air frying. No oven is complete without a light button, but the nice thing about this is just how bright it gets. We'll show you here. It's really nice that you can see through this where all of your food is baking, so you don't need to open up the oven door.
Once you've got your bake setting configured, just push the start stop button and it'll turn orange to tell you that it's preheating, and you can see it blinking up there. And once it's ready, it will beep and let you know that it's done. The nice thing about this oven is that it preheats in like 3 to 5 minutes, which is so much quicker than regular ovens. So if you're wanting to bake something quickly, then this is just a godsend. Another feature about the Breville Smart Oven is that it has this rotate remind. So if you're wanting to rotate your pan halfway through cooking, it will beep to remind you. But if you want to turn it off, you can just hit the select confirm button and then it'll shut that feature off. So it's already gone off, it's preheated. You can tell the blinking preheating light is gone, and it beeped to let you know that it is ready to go.
Overall, we cannot recommend this oven enough. We use it almost every single day for the last 1.5 years, and we'll never be going back to our full-size oven again.